Hi guys! Today we're going to be finding a solution for the mess that's in my desk right now. I'll show you in a minute. Because you know how we buy lashes and they come in all these cute boxes and then we run out of storage space and we have all these boxes in our hands. It's just a waste and a lot of clutter. So I decided to get this lash box. This is from Flutter Lashes. This is what it looks like. It's supposed to store up to 18 pairs of lashes. And as my lashes are mostly magnetic, what I did was also get this little box with magic in it, meaning this is a magnetic tape dispenser. So yeah, today we'll be doing this and hopefully I'll be happier about my lash storage problem. It looks like a regular tape dispenser actually. It's really cute. I may actually need a pair of scissors for this because I don't think this system here will be sensitive enough to cut this really fine stripes of the magnetic tape. So you have 3 drawers and 6 little, I guess you put one lash here, the other one over here. I'll just stick the magnetic stripe in the front of each little arch and maybe put the name with a sort of a Sharpie pen. These come out with alcohol, so if I ever want to not replace one of these and if I run out of it, I'll just delete the name, wipe the name with alcohol, and I'll be good to go for the next pair. It's fine. Oh yeah, these are cute. And then you have one top drawer to put accessories like, I'd say, glue or the liners, trimming scissors. I think I'll just, yeah, do that. Now I don't know how to set you up to actually be able to see this while I work on them. I guess I'll just a second. Yep. Now we're set up. Let me get my scissors. See the pile of lashes over here? I'll just start from up to bottom. But first, just going to stick the magnetic tape on all of the I will get rid of all the boxes. I'll just keep one from if I happen to travel with a pair to use. Yes, I'm happy. Look, first pair. Ooh, let me write down the name before I forget. This is Ethereal. Yeah. Look. I'm so happy. Yes. This makes me so happy. It doesn't take much to make a woman happy, does it? Just basic human rights, equality, equal pay, and magnetic tape. Look! This first tray is all complete with magnetic tape. Let's stick the lashes. Ethereal is done. Ego, now Ecstasy, X. Oh, there you go. Perfect. See these floating around in the corner over there? These are anchors. These are Venus, one of the more natural styles. Here's Venus. This is so cute. Okay, so these are Vixen. Here they are, verified, right over here. The name is covered. Let's put the first tray, drawer. Yes, look, so cute. Empty. Let's stick the tape. Oh, here, who misses his vacation? Me. Damn, I miss going out on vacation. I sure do. Who doesn't? I mean, not everyone loves to travel. I'm one of those. Top-notch introvert over here. I really enjoy being in my corner, but I love being free to move around if I want to. I want to be able to choose not to go anywhere, you know what I mean? Now vacay, well, what? Oh, yeah. No, I thought they were so well put away on there that I thought I hadn't trimmed them, but I did on my last video. Vacay were trimmed too. Here they are, vacay, duster style, right here. They even covered the name. And now we're moving on to the ones I haven't used yet. Let's do Vavavoom next. Vavavoom. These are crazy. Yes. Yes. Cute. Love Lash, Lucky Lash. Look, here's my second tray. Wait. Where did my VIP go? Oh, there we go. That wasn't hard, was it? I can get rid of all these boxes now. All of these. I'm going to store, see there's an empty spot for my Ego lashes over there, which I'm wearing today. So later on when I go remove my makeup, I'll just put them over there. So yeah, this is it for today's video. See, oops, sorry about the glare. My lashes are all in one place, which I'm very happy about. I can get rid of all this clutter over here. I'm really happy about my storage solution. I bought this box at falselashes.co.uk. They have flutter lashes, they have Hardell, they have Lily lashes, they have some of the Kiss lashes, they have bold-faced lashes. I can't wait to try these. These are white. I'll probably do some Halloween look or something. Some Dia de Muertos makeup where I can use this. Or maybe some Harlequin makeup with the black eye and the little Harlequin design. And then get these white babies right on. So yeah, again, this is not sponsored, but I think they deserve. So yeah, this is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, just interact. If you have suggestions for storage of any kind of makeup item, just leave it down below in the comments. Don't be shy, comment please. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye. If you stayed to this part of the video, leave a purple heart emoji in the comments down there. Bye.